welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see what is triangle law of vector. This is the part 3rd of our series. Friends, we have made one series on mathematical methods. So now we are moving toward the next slide. So what is triangle law of vector addition? Now you can see over here there is one vector bar A. This is the starting point of the vector and this is the ending point of the vector. Now we are going to draw the second vector, which is bar B. This is the starting point and this is the ending point. Now these two vectors, which is bar A, which are bar A and bar B, are representing the two sides of the triangle. Then we can draw the resultant by bar R, and we can start that bar R from starting point of the first vector until the ending point of the second vector. So what is the triangle law of vector addition? That if two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by two sides of the triangle taken in order, then their resultant is represented by the third side drawn from the starting of the first vector until the ending of the second vector. So this is all about the triangle law of vector addition. Now we are going to see some properties of the triangle law. So first property is that the triangle law is commutative in nature. What is mean by commutative? Now you can see over here, this is OA. OA is represented by position vector bar A and side AC is represented by bar B. Now these two are nothing but the sides of triangle. So what is the resultant of this? Resultant of this is OC, which is starting from the starting of the first vector until the ending of the second vector. So what is the resultant? R is equal to A plus B for this triangle. Similarly, for the second triangle, if we draw the resultant, then in that case we get R is equal to B plus A, because this is the first vector in the second case and this is the second vector. So we get R is equal to B plus A, but A plus B and B plus A, both these values are represented by a single length, that is OC. That means we can write bar A plus B is equal to bar B plus A. That means that two values are equal. That means we can say vector addition is commutative. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So this is the first property of the triangle law. Now we are moving toward the second property, that is vector addition is associative in nature. Now you can see one figure over here. Now we are going to see the structure or construction of this figure. This length OR is represented by position vector bar R. OP is represented by bar A. BQ is represented by bar B. QR is represented by bar C. Right? Now in case of the triangle OPQ, what is the resultant of this triangle OPQ? OQ. So how to write the value of OQ with the help of the triangle law, that is A plus B. Similarly, we can find out the value of the resultant of the triangle PQR. PQR has B and C vector. So what is the value of the resultant? Bar B plus bar C. Right? Now what is meant by associative in nature? Now you can see this is the value of A plus B and this length is representing B plus C. So what is the value of OR? OR is nothing but the resultant of A plus B and B plus C. Then we can write R in two ways. We can write in one way by using A plus B. Right? If we are using A plus B, and in that if we are going to add B plus C, then in A plus B already B is there. So no need to write B again. We can simply write this as A plus B plus C. And similarly we can write the value of R with the help of this value, that is B plus C. As this value of B, this value has B already, so we are not going to write B again. We are going to write simply A plus B plus C, which is this term, A plus into bracket B plus C. So what is meant by the associative nature of the triangle law? That means by any way you can write the value of R, that is A plus into bracket B plus C, or A into bracket A plus B bracket complete plus C. So in both the cases you will get the same answer. So this is all about the vector addition is associative in nature. So friends, now we are going to stop over here. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, please put that doubt in the comment box below. Thank you.